So this is very close to the end. Sam Sengman, number 1 on the machine.
Yes, day 1 here at FARLEIGH Castle. Return. We're all going to get clean
Looking for a different line. It's one mistake away from the position change. Now they head up to
Compare that to later on. Second, Neil Greenland, 91. Justin Hawkins on the 42 is in 3rd place. There we got a real battle going on. Here we go.
So here they come.
First turn I think it was a 350 Yamaha, but I don't know. There's so many different classes available now for all these machines. So then Blakely, that was a great day. This is very close to the end. Sam Sengman, number 1 on the machine.
There he is, who ranks 3rd. Yes, he is one on 2 or 3. Yeah, you're already trying to build Did it come down? Eastwood, right on the right-hand side as we look at it, sweeping round the Coyote.
So that's going to be a fast group. Just looking out on track though, very fast indeed. Conditions at the moment couldn't be any better at all. So much grip in the
with this create on the Royal 125. They're all still valid for money. You can't really get away with too many mistakes with them. It's all about momentum and keeping it. Retirement already in this 135 race. It's a fickle game again, the motocross. You know, so many things that. Race on the bounce. Yeah. I mean, I think his short race format's probably going to help that, but it still takes some energy, doesn't it? Put up with it. He doesn't feel like a short race, to be honest with you, when you are hard to keep on top of the parts are not as readily available, mate. They're really sweet bikes. It was a good bike, but maybe an issue. That's about it, yeah. Yeah, it's a horrendous place, really.
Race leader coming around now, and it is 32 Lewis Trickett. Steve Bixby is just in second. So there goes Trickett. So now.
It's nice for the riders to have a track where they're actually got the throttle in. Oh yeah.
Because it's not that very often. Here you can actually wind the throttle on.